Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the mystery bundle. This was their Black Friday mystery deal. If you want to see what's inside, stay tuned. Okay you guys, so it was a few days after Black Friday, I stumbled upon a Too Faced website, and lo and behold, I saw that they were doing another makeup mystery bundle, and I thought I wanted to get it, and I hope that it's not the same as the one that I got before, that I got twice of the same already. Now I did see, after I already ordered it, I saw a spoiler on some website, I can't remember which one it was now, and it showed what should be in here, and the palette is one I already have. So I grabbed mine just in case that's what's in here, so then I can show you mine instead of opening this one, because then I'll put it in a giveaway. So let's go ahead and just see, without speculating, let's see what is really in here. So here's their normal Too Faced box. I took my mailing label off, and when you open it up, that's what it looks like. And oh, so it's not in their normal, like all the other ones were in like a, just like a Ziploc bag that said Too Faced, not like you'd want to reuse it, but it wasn't like a makeup bag. This one is in a makeup bag, and it is so cute. That is just stinking adorable. Look at the little squirrels. And I have squirrels that I see every single day because we have a bird feeder, and the squirrels literally try to get the food out of it, and they'll even like hang on it, and it's supposed to be squirrel safe. I gotta have some tricky magician squirrels because they find a way. So we end up buying a critter thing to actually feed the squirrels because they ain't going anywhere. So that is just so cute that there's little squirrels. Sorry, I had to tell you my squirrel story, but that is really cute. It says Too Faced, and they're like literally holding nuts too. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Some have a little bow. There is a little black bow up here, and then there's this thing here that says Too Faced that is actually covered for the handle. This is a nice bag. This is a really nice bag. And the color of the actual bag, because I'm sure it's probably not picking up for your end, it kind of looks like a very light pink lavenderish color. Very light, because you can see a difference between the white on the actual squirrels from that background. But that is really cute, and I'm not into like normally gold, but this is adorable. I like this bag. So mine was $42, and it's supposed to have $131 value. So let's go ahead and get in here and see what's in here. And yes, that is the same palette that I have. So the first item in here is a melted matte, liquefied matte Too Faced lip product. And this is in the color of Queen Bee. Let's just see what this one looks like, because I have a few that kind of already look like this color on the box. Okay, so it looks like a light pink mauve color. And again, I have a lot, so I think I just might set this aside and put this in a giveaway. So I'm not going to open it or swatch it or anything like that. I'll just put this in a future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy. Then the next product here is Too Faced Better Than Sex. This is their sample size of the mascara. I have the full size, so I'll set this in a future giveaway as well. I love giving back to you guys, so it's a win-win for me. Now we have is Too Faced Chocolate Gold. This is this a bronzer? Yes, long wear bronzer. And I don't think I have a bronzer by Too Faced, so I'm definitely going to hang on to this. This is called Luminous is the color. I hope it's not that dark. If it's that dark, then I probably won't be keeping it, because my ghostly self doesn't need anything dark. But there's the packaging, and let's see. Well, it smells like chocolate. I mean, it's not too dark. I'm gonna just go ahead and hang on to it, and I can play around with it, but let's just see. Yeah, well, I guess you could probably go lightly, but there's the color. This is definitely buildable, because look, it looks like three completely different colors. That's just three different heaviness of my finger. So it smells like chocolate. I just love their palettes when they smell like something good and yummy. It smells so good. Then this palette, yep, this is the chocolate bar, and I already have this, so I'm not going to open this one. I'm just gonna leave it nice and sealed. That'll go in a future giveaway. This is mine. This is what the outside looks like. It's gonna have a little bit of wear because I've used it a few times. I did a complete try on this, so if you wanna see the full swatches and try on, you can definitely check that out. But it does have the mirror, and here are all of the colors. Again, I have dabbled in this one because I've used it quite a few times. I do really like this because it's like my go-to for like any natural look. So I really am glad that I have this palette, and I did buy 2 at that time and I put one in giveaway. So now this one will go in a giveaway as well. So one of you guys will be able to enjoy it as much as I do. So there's that. So that is what is in this entire bag. This bag though, you guys, is so thick. It has this lining. This is just a very well-made bag. It is very, very thick. It's very thick and big, and I just really like it. It's very well made. You can tell this is not just some little cheesy little bag like they put in them before. This is a really nice bag, and I really like this. So in this was the chocolate bar. You have the highlighter, the lip, and the Better Than Sex mascara. So that is everything that came in this bag. And then there's like a piece of paper in here. Too Faced, because you're really loyal. Thank you for shopping with us. You can never have too much makeup. Visit us again soon and take 20% off your next purchase. And there's actually 2 different codes. So if any of you guys are interested in purchasing from Too Faced, first come, first serve on these codes. I will show you now. You can pause and copy them down, but there are the 2 different codes. So if anybody out there wants to save 20% off your next order, by all means, go right ahead, because I just placed my order and I need to stop buying stuff. So there's that, just in case. I don't know if that picked up or not, but here we can go in a little bit closer for you guys. So, because there's a lot of numbers. So hopefully somebody out there was able to pause, see the numbers, and be able to utilize the 20% off coupons, because there's 2. So that is that. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this mystery bag. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and put these 3 items in a future giveaway. I have a lot of them planned coming up. So this would be good, because then you might be seeing them soon coming up. And I'm really excited to play with this bronzer. I'm normally not a bronzing person, but I could probably get in a little light hand and do a little dabble do you, and start at least venturing out and trying a little bit more, because I would like to. I know a lot of people use bronzers and it looks amazing on them. I just don't know how to use it. I don't know the correct way or the correct placement just yet. So I've tried a few, like just playing around. So I just have to keep playing around. Keep playing around. But I love the way that these smell, like for sure, 100%. I love the way that they smell. There's no card in here like the eyeshadow palettes. They give you a card and they show you step-by-step instructions on like how to do different looks. So I was hoping there would have been a card in here to show me like where the appropriate way to put bronzers are. But I'm sure I can find something online that'll have like a whole little face layout of how it's supposed to be, so I can try to do it the correct way. So that is everything again for you guys today. Comment down below, let me know, what did you think of this? Did you get one of these? Did you know about one of these? I just stumbled across it, and the next thing I know, they weren't available anymore. So let me know if you did grab one, if you did purchase one. I'm just really glad that they're completely different than the other 2 that I got that were exactly the same. And I really love this bag, and I keep saying it, but I love the fact that there's little squirrels on there, and they have little nuts with them, and they're just really cute. This is an adorable bag, you guys. It's probably my favorite one I have right now. So that is everything. So if you haven't done so already, I'd greatly appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. Then you see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.